Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths online class of class 3rd. Students, today I will teach you unit 17 measures of mass. So all of you pay attention here. Before starting 17a, I want to tell you about something. How much something weighs depends on its mass. The more mass something has, the more is its weight. So we often use the word weight for mass. To weigh something, we compare its mass with that of fixed weights using a balance. Fixed weights used to weigh light things are in grams. आप लाइट वेट जब तोलेंगे, वेट करेंगे किस चीज़ का, तो आप ग्राम्स में करेंगे. और अगर आप हैवी थिंग्स को वेट करते हैं, भारी चीज़ को, तो आप उसे किस में करते हैं? किलोग्राम्स में. ग्राम्स को हम शॉर्ट में जी लिखते हैं और we write kilograms in short kg, and in 1 kg 1000 grams are there. Now start exercise 17a. First question is change into grams, and in 1 kg 1000 grams are there. Question number 1a part, 3 kg. So what will you do? You have to multiply 3 by 1000. It will change into grams, 3000 grams. Now B part, 7 kg. Here also 7 multiply 1000. The answer is 7000 grams. Like this you do parts. Now question number 2, A part. A, B, C, D part you do in homework. E part and F part I am telling. 3 kg 308 gram. You have to change it into gram na. 608 is already changed. Now change 3 kg. 3 into 1000. The answer is here 3000 plus 308 grams. Now plus it, then you will get, now add it. The answer is 3608 gram. Now F part, 1 kg 5 gram. First you change 1 kg into gram. 1 into 1000 plus 5 gram. 1000 plus 5, the answer is 1005 gram. Now question 3, change into kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and here you have to divide 4000 by 1000. How? Like this, 4000 divided by 1000. 1000 fours are 4000, minus it, remainder is 0. The answer is 4 kilogram. Next is, okay, D part I am telling you, 9000 gram. Now change into kilogram. 9000 divide by 1000. 1009 ja 9000, minus it, remainder is 0. The answer is 9 kg. 9 kilogram. Right here in the space given, 9 kilogram. Now question 4, change into kilograms and gram. A part is 7629 gram divided by 1000. 7629. 1007 ja 7000, minus it, remainder is 629. रिमाइंडर पार्ट्स जो है आपका ग्राम है और ये क्वेश्चन पार्ट आपका है किलोग्राम. सो राइट लाइक दिस, 7 kg 629 gram. Now these part you do in homework in copies. F part is 3048 gram. Now change it into kilogram and gram. So for this you have to divide by 1000. 1000 3s are 3000, minus it, remainder is 48. So the answer is 3 kg 48 gram. Now exercise 17B, question number 1, A part. Addition sums and subtractions are there. Question number 1, A part. 428 gram plus 397. Add these numbers together. The answer is 825. Now B part. Question is 274 plus 356. Add these numbers. 4 plus 6, 10. Write here 0. Take 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 5, 13. Write here 3. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. The answer is 630 gram. Like this you do this part also yourself in books. Now exercise 17B, question number 2, A part. The question is 468 gram plus 219 gram. Add these two numbers together. 8 plus 9, 17. Write here 7. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Write here 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Write here 6. The answer is 687 gram. Now question 3A part. 8972 kilogram plus 258 kilogram. Add these two numbers. The answer is 9230. Now question number 4A. Remaining parts you have to do yourself in your copies. 35 kg 492 gram plus 87 kilogram 308 gram. First you separate kg and gram. Now write under kg 35 and 67, and under gram you write 492 308. Now add these. 2 plus 8, 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Now add kg part. 5 plus 7, 12. Write here 2. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 plus 6. Write here 10. The answer is 102 kg 800 gram. Now B part, the question is 460 kilogram 540 gram plus 356 kilogram 37 gram plus 28 kilogram 200 gram. Now separated kilogram and gram. Under kilogram write 460, 356 and 28, and under gram you write 540, 37 and 200. Now add these. And now the answer is 0 plus 7 plus 0, write here 7. 4 plus 3 plus 0, write here 7. 5 plus 2, write here 7. Now add this one. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Write here 4. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Write here 4. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Write here 8. The answer is 844 kg 777 gram. Now question number 6A part. The question is 812 gram minus 471 gram. Minus it. The answer is 341 gram. Now question number 7A part. 632 kg minus 98 gram. 12 2 is lesser than 8. You have to take borrow. 12 plus 8. Write here 4. Here 2 is remaining. Now take carry. Take a borrow from here. 12 minus 9. Write here 3. And here 5 is remainder. 5 minus 0. Write here 5. The answer is 534. Now question number 8A part. 8 kilogram 734 gram minus 2 kg 26 gram. Now separated kg and gram. Under kg you write 8 and 2. Under gram you write 734 and 26. Now minus it. 14. 4 is lesser than 6. You have to borrow from here. 14 minus 6. Write here 8. Now 2 is remaining here. 2 minus 2. Write here 0. 7 minus 0. Write here 7. Now 8 minus 2. Write here 6. The answer is 6 kg 708. Now B part. 75 kg 846 gram minus 46 kg 658 gram. Separated kg and gram. Now minus it 75 kilogram 846 minus 46 656. The answer is 658. The answer is, first you have to borrow from here because 6 is lesser than 8. 16 minus 8, right here 8, here 3 is remaining, take borrow from 8. 13 minus 5, right here 8, here 7 is remaining, 7 minus 6, you write here 1. Now 5 is lesser than 6, you have to take borrow from 7. So 15 minus 6, write here 9, here 6 is remaining, 6 minus 4, you write here 2. The answer is 29 kg 9 gram. Exercise 17C, question number 1, multiplication. A part is 142 into 3. 3 2 just 6, right here 6, 3 4 are 3 4s are 12, right here 2, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. The answer is 426 gram. Now B part, 475 into 5, 5 5s are 25, right here 5, 2 carry, 5 7 are 35 plus 2 37, right here 7, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23. The answer is 2375. Like this you do part yourself. Now question 2. Question 2 A part, 24 gram into 6. 6 4 is 24, right here 4, 2 carry, 6 2 is 12 plus 2, right here 14. The answer is 144 gram. Now B part is 124 gram into 7. 125 gram into 7. 7 5 is 35, right here 5, 3 carry, 7 4 is 14 plus 3 17, right here 7, 1 carry, 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. The answer is 875 gram. Now question number 3 A part, 87 kilogram into 3. On the top first you write kg. Now multiply it. 3 7 is 21, right here 1, 2 carry, 3 8 is 24, here you write 261. The answer is 261. 87 multiply 3. 3 7 is 21, right here 1, 2 carry, 3 8 is 24 plus 2 26. Here the answer is 261. 5 is wrong, here you write 6. 261. Now the question number 3 B part, 352 kg into 5. 5 2s are 10, right here 0, 1 carry, 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26, right here 6, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. The answer is 1760 kg. Now question number 4 A part, 23 kg 255 gram into 3. First you separated kg and gram. Now multiply by 3. 3 5 is 15, right here 5, 1 carry, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16, right here 6, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. The answer is 69 kilogram 756 gram. Now B part, 84 kilogram 176 gram into 5. Separated kg and gram. Now multiply by 5. The answer is 420 kg 875 gram. Now exercise 17D, question 1 A part, 96 gram divided by 4. Exercise 17D, question number 1A part, 96 gram divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, minus it, 1, carry down 6, 4, 4 is 16, remainder is 0. The answer is 24 gram. Now question 2B part. Question is 816 kilogram divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6, minus it, 2, carry down 1, 3 7 ja 21, minus it, here 0, now carry down 6, 3 2 ja 6, minus it, remainder is 0. The answer is 272 kilogram. Now question number 3, C part. Question is 40 kilogram 608 gram divided by 2. Here you have to make separate kilogram and gram. 2 2s are 4, minus it, 0, carry down 0, 2 0s are 0, minus it, 0. Now carry down 608 separately divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, minus it, 0, carry down 0, 2 0s are 0. Now carry down 8, 2 4s are 8, minus it, remainder is 0. The answer is 20 kilogram 304 gram. Now H part, 648 kilogram 594 gram divided by 9. 9 7 ja 63, minus it, 1. Now carry down 8. 9 2 ja 18, minus it, 0. Now carry down 594. 9 6 ja 54, minus it, 5, carry down 4. 9 6 ja 54. The answer is 72 kilogram 66 gram. Remaining parts you do in homework properly, and in copies you have to write in a good handwriting. Now thank you everyone. Take care all of you.